Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 15 things you can do with a dictionary in Python. Let's start by declaring a dictionary called MySQL Dictionary with bunch of key value pairs. Number 1. To print the entire dictionary, use the print function. Number 2. To print the item with key equal to 3.5, use the square brackets. Number 3. When using the key which is of the type string, use the single quotes in square brackets. Number 4. To modify an item with an existing key, use the equal to operator. Number 5. The equal to operator is also used to add a new item to a dictionary. Number 6. Leverage the del keyword to delete an item from a dictionary. Number 7. The get method will return the keyword none if no value is found for the corresponding key. Number 8. Use the items method to return a view object with a list of dictionary pairs as tuples in a list. Number 9. The keys method will return a list of dictionary keys. Number 10. The values method will return a list of dictionary values. Number 11. Use the in keyword to check if an item exists in the dictionary or not. Number 12. The len function will return the number of items in a dictionary. Number 13. The update method will add one dictionary's key value pairs to another while removing the duplicates. Number 14. The clear method will remove all the elements and return an empty dictionary. Last but not the least, number 15. Use the del keyword to delete the entire dictionary. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.